After a year of delivering G Profile and LG combo units, the repair stats are in. Many people, maybe even you, are holding off to see if these units actually work. We have the results based on actual service calls. In this video, you'll find out whether these combo washers and dryers hold up and what the problems actually are. At the end, we'll even show you how to prevent them. Reliability is calculated by dividing the amount of units serviced by the number sold over a 12-month period, resulting in a service percentage. We'll then compare this percentage across brands to rank the reliability. But we didn't stop there. We wanted to see what the problems were. For new products, it can often be user error or installation issues. And we wanted to separate that from real problems. At the end, you'll know the 4 problems and how to easily prevent them. We've always been transparent about which appliances to avoid, and for years, combo washers and dryers topped this list because they couldn't stop lint from collecting in the machine, ultimately causing an expensive, impossible future service issue. If you look at the main washer dryers today, you'll see they all have filters by the heat exchanger. This setup is intended to catch lint before it causes any issues. But does it? Although the results look promising, you still have to be vigilant about cleaning the lint filter to avoid issues. Now it's time to see if it really works. The LG Combo has many of LG's best features like Turbo 360, shortening any cycle to 30 minutes using 5 high-pressure water nozzles. Tons of cycles and a large 5 cubic foot capacity. And it does work. We haven't seen more procedures from Lint like the older ones. Problems are relatively minor. The most common ones are drainage setup caused by the drain hose not being positioned at the right height during installation, which affected venting. But the main preventable problem is drain pump obstructions or something getting in the drain pump, which seems to be consistent with the next one as well. The G UltraFast, like the LG, lets you wash and dry clothes in one cycle. It has many of the same cycles and options as the LG, somewhat capacity of 4.7 cubic feet. It includes the 32-load automatic dispenser, so you can't overfill the detergent, which is a common problem with front loads. The problems are basically the same. Some calls are due to clogged drains and filters from not regular cleaning. You have to clean filters every time on both models. You also have to use HE detergent, or you'll have sudsing issues like all front loaders. Few instances involve drain error codes or E18 error codes due to drainage issues. In some cases, the drain pump was blocked. After placing the pump on 3 units and cleaning the filter, the unit operated normally. Again, the same as LG. So how do you prevent drain pump issues? Next to my washer, I have a bin with all the change taken from my washer and dryer. It looks like I'll be able to fund my daughter's college education in a few more years. But this is a problem in a combo. Drainage problems are caused by what you leave in your pockets. In this case, change. And if you play golf, leave the tees on the course and not in your pocket. Let's recap the 4 preventable problems. Have it installed right, use the right HE detergent, clean the filter after every load, and empty your pockets. If you want to take a deep dive into the features of these 2 combo models, how they did in our tests, click this video, and thanks for watching.